Alright guys, so this is Red Table Set 2 on the Promethean board. You should be watching this video for instructions. The first one you'll be working on is the matching life science planets. So this will be up on your Promethean board. And this is how you do the activity. Let me show you what to do. So it will come up asking you to make everything disappear. So you're going to drag and drop the pictures to match them up, which will make them disappear. So let's see if we can drag the word to the term and see if we can get these pictures to disappear. The questions will be different each time that you do this. Your objective is to see how quickly you can do it. So the time that it took you to make them all disappear, you want to keep track of that. That will be on your exit ticket. Your goal is to have each of you go to the board and complete the activity, and then whoever does it the fastest would be the winner for that. The next activity you will do is the matching solids, liquids, and gases activity. So we'll put that on the board for you. You'll do this on the Promethean board, and it looks just like this. So this time you'll be working with solids, liquids, and gases. Again, match them up. Figure out which one goes where. And then record your score over here on the side. You can see how long that it took. Make sure you write that down so you don't forget. Hit play again and let the next person do it. So everybody will be competing against each other, see who can do it the fastest, and then you'll put that in your exit ticket. So the last thing you'll do is your exit ticket. Click on your exit ticket and you'll simply write in who had the fastest time and what was your time and who had the fastest time, and then post it. All right, good luck and have fun with that.